Guys, I just realized that my webcam, I pulled up my webcam and it's not on. So, yeah. I tried pulling on my webcam so you can see my reaction, but I'm sorry, so hope you still enjoy. We're just gonna choose some random games on Roblox. So, yeah. I'm just looking for a random. So. Yeah, let's do this one. So this one looks cool. I really like Dragon Balls. No, I've played that one already. Oh man! I'm not using my mouse as much because it's kind of glitching out. The mouse is kind of glitching out sometimes. So it's gonna take a little bit. So I woke up and I ate some food and then I said, let's make a video. So yeah, I'm gonna be a little bit tired and also really cold. This is top Dragon Ball Z Final Fantasy, so hopefully it's a good game. It's our character. Okay. I don't know if I played this game, but it feels like bulkiness. So, oh, this is like how fat I am. Okay. Height. Go down one. Human race. Namekian. Sain. Again. Human. Frieza race. Margin race. Saiyan. Yeah, let's go Saiyan for now. Alright, next one. Skin. I'm really pale. So I think that. Hairstyle. Wait a second. Is that... Oh, no, I thought that was Goku. I don't know. I don't think there's any Gokus. There's a lot of hairstyles. I'll be back in a bit. Alright guys, after 55 style hairs, I finally found Goku's. And I finished him up, so. And here it is. This is going to the actual game now. I'm so cold. I should have a blanket. I don't. Alright, so I guess now I know this game. I just really know this game, sorry. So I do know this game because I did play it. And it is a very, very awesome game. Very good. Alright, there's a snake, which can punch. And I'm super weak, so this is what you hit when you're weak. In my other game, I'm level 30, I think. And 29. Yeah. Oh! Yeah. 20 XP. So, if you don't see, there's a yellow bar. That's my health. What? And that was the Kamehameha. The yellow bar is my health. The yellow bar is my health. And the blue bar is my key. And the white bar is my current quests. Right? Put on my Oh yeah. If you don't believe me, the blue bar is my key. and shoot key blast. As you hit something. I don't know why it's going. Yeah. Whoa! Key blast of power! I do know that you can charge. I'm pretty sure the charge is amazing, so I can't hit air. So let's try. Alright, charge. Shift. No, that's wrong. Oh shoot! How did I survive that? Holy moly, they're having a battle. Obviously, that guy's charging, but I don't know how to. Just hit every. Okay, that's zoom. That's a zoom button. I'm about to block, I'm pretty sure. R does nothing. E does nothing. Q. Okay. Q dashes. Oh! C. Did you see that? I think it was about to charge. Alright, I need to find a safe spot to do this before I start getting killed. So I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna run up on here. Oh! And you can air fight? This is what I wanted in every Dragon Ball Z game. You can fight in the air. Because that would be amazing. Alt. Oh. Does alt make it? No. This. No. I don't know. I don't know what this made me fly. I'm so confused. Is there a menu button? Oh, there. Alright. Stats. Tutorial. Alright. Charge key X charges your key. Scouter Z. Alright, let's just try doing key. Let's try charging key. Oh, it's working. Yeah, this looks pretty cool. This looks okay. There's no face option. Yeah, but that looks pretty cool. Alright, let's go back to tutorial and go here. Oh, vanish. Ooh. Alright. Cool. Dodge, key blast, fly, hold space, go up. Alright. Run fast, fly fast. Super flying. Open button. Transformation 1 and 2. G and H. So let's try it anyway. G, H. No. Why do I think I have a transformation? I just logged into this game. Why do I think I have a transformation? Sorry I'm not playing very much, but... Is it? Oh, this is Superfly. This is Super Bear. This is Super... Is that a bear? That's a bear! That is hilarious. Is that a gorilla? It's a gorilla. This stuff is just funny. Whoa. No. Whee. I'm just discovering the landscape right now. It's amazing. Person. Oh, I have skill points. Do I have my stats? Oh, I do. Level 2, 3 skill points. Oh. Melee damage. Melee resistance. Maybe that's a good move. Never mind, I can't do that one. Can I do anything else? What do I click on? Oh, melee resistance. Let's go to skills. Oh, key blast attack. Key attack. Oh, shot, maybe. Oh, here it is. Key. Oh, the Kamehameha. You have to be level 12? The shock still. Oh, level 1, right here. I have this one. It takes. Oh, you do need Zenny. And I have enough Zenny. Oh, I need to try that one. Melee. Dragon throw. Rush, alright. Others. Oh man, instant raise. You need to be level 50 to be a Super Saiyan. I guess comment down below if you want me to play this game. Oh, there's Super Saiyan gods. Ultra Instinct? Oh, how much you need to level that? And I have to have all that Zenny. Ultra Instinct. Here we go, can I borrow some Zenny? I'm dying. Alright. Emperor's Edge. Look at all these. Big Bang Attack. Spirit Ball. God Gun. Special Beam Cannon. Chain Destructiveness. This is crazy. Can you even hear me now? Final Flash. Spirit Ball. What's after Spirit Ball? Big Bang Kamehameha. I think that's what that guy did. Supernova. How is these moves stronger than the Super Spirit Bomb? What are you? What are you? I would keep the Spirit Bomb because it would be amazing. Alright. Character. Oh, you changed. Shop. Are we just there? And that's for some stuff. Alright. So, I guess one. Oh! Okay. Okay. Okay, let's. Can we destroy the landscape? Please tell me. What does it do? Oh! Okay. Bang! Oh! That was amazing! Alright, guys. The Dragon Ball Z. Dragon. Da 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 da. I don't even know. Alright. This guy. Oh, Kami's house. Is Kami actually in there? If Kami's actually there, teach me Kamehameha. I don't want to get to level 12 to get to Kamehameha. Where are these Cybermen? Shouldn't there be Cybermen in some spots? Should be Cybermen around. Oh my word. Someone's already fighting someone. Wait a second. My phone works. I have no idea what that guy's doing. Hopefully he will not kill me. Oh, it's Krillin! It's Krillin! Hi there, Krillin. Oh, please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. Master Roshi. Shh. Nobody around here really says hi. Really? You know what I mean? Oh! It is on, bro. It is on. It is on. You better get skedaddle. Kill it. Oh, come on. You know, there I've been seeing double. What? What? Tell me! You don't help. I'm gonna blow up Kami's house. Blow up Kami's house. Blow it up. Blow it up. It didn't blow up Kami's house. Come on. Do a false Super Saiyan so I can destroy all the Kami's house. You're supposed to get destroyed. If I'm out, sure. I don't know, but if I'm in your own place, I'll let you destroy like trees and stuff. Southern Island. Oh, is that? That's Android 18. Okay. Hit 18. What are you doing here? Can I punch you? Can I hit you? Whoa, okay. Okay. Whoa, she fights back. She fights back. She fights back. Ah! She fights back. She fights back. You better get out of here. Oh